Alright, we're going to be looking at the smoke again today, showing you what it's like out here. They're suggesting people wear masks and stuff, and we're going to see what it looks like at the Pines. I'll show you what the sun looks like if we can get a view from here. It's just a dim red disk. And that, my friends, is the sun right there. That's the sun. That's it. Look at how hazy it is. Wow. They just did a track change on us, saying everything's on track 3, which means I'm going to have to go over to the other side to catch my train. No, track 2. Never mind. Why does it have a Jamaica train? I don't know what's going on. Alright, now we're on the right spot. That's smoke. See, it's malfunctioning. That train's supposed to be on the other side. Why is it saying this side? It's malfunctioning. The smoke is thick. The smell doesn't bother me that much, though. I'm surprised to see such a long train on the Oyster Bay line. Jamaica's supposed to come on the other side. Something got screwed up with the signs. The smoke is nuts. It's nuts. Oh, now it's not saying the track number. That's weird. Yeah. The signs are behaving kind of weirdly. Alright, well, this video is supposed to be about the smoke, so just showing you what it's like out here. It doesn't bother me that much, to be honest with you. They say it's bad for you, and I know they say, oh, you should be wearing a mask, but really, it's bothering me. Because it's pines and evergreens burning, and I think maybe because the Pine Barrens is in my blood, it almost doesn't bother me. I'm like resistant to it or something. This is what it looks like from the train.
The next station is Wyandash.
smoke out here. There's the sun. It's nuts. That's nuts. That's what it's looking like this. It's nuts. It's nice and cool out here. And the smoke isn't bothering me. Look at those pines there, shrouded in smoke. Smoke has reduced the solar radiation so much that it's cool. I don't know. It's going to be much cooler than forecast today. Might not even hit 70. It's starting to get to me a little bit. If I have to, I'll put my mask on. First ever little walk in the pines with wearing a mask, but going to the desert area, of course. The pitch pines are built for this, though, you know? They're built for smoky, fiery... They're built for a smoky, fiery planet, which our planet is becoming, so... They'll be fine. We may not be fine, but I think humans will go extinct before these pines will. Look at that. That is insane. Alright, this one. We were here a few days ago when the sun was out, so we're comparing it now to when it's no blue sky at all. But remember, this is an environment that is forged by fire, alright, so as upset I am to see these wildfires, you know, it is climate change, but I do think that the pitch pines will make it through climate change. I do. And I think we're going to see the range of pitch pines expand into Canada too. They may start mixing in with the jack pines as it warms up. But yeah, there's nothing we could do about climate change. Obviously, it came out that we're emitting more carbon dioxide than ever before. So humans are just never going to change. They're never going to change. That's just the thing of it. We're going to make ourselves extinct. Because our civilization that's most fragile. Fire. I mean, Pine Barrens, the wildfires, they'll survive just fine. You know? They'll make it through just fine. It's our civilization that will crumble. It's quite beautiful, actually. It's eerie. It's eerie, but you know, maybe this is going to finally wake people up as to how bad this climate. Even if we did something now about it, though, we're not. That's it. It's too late. We've passed the tipping point. It's only going to get worse from here. This is so eerie. This time I don't have to adjust the white balance for whatever reason is showing it, so I don't have to put it on the cloudy white balance. It is showing it. This is nuts. What do the Pine Barrens look like in smoke? Well, there you go. There's that sun again. So eerie. You know, these freaking balloons. Let's see if we're gonna get this off the... These things get caught in the trees, they're terrible. Let's, we're gonna dispose of this. Let me take this, see if we can get this. There you go. Yeah. So it's taking that. I'll dispose of it somewhere. Terrible ass. It should be a crime to like release these balloons. Look at this. And you can see there some fresh green cones on that pine right there. A couple of little ones are starting to grow. It's interesting how fast they grow after. When I was here last week, there was less fresh cones, but now we got a lot. The sun is disappearing. It's gonna be completely gone. Look at it. It's almost completely gone. It's nuts. This is nuts. This is nuts. Look at that. The sun is so dim. I think this camera even does it justice. Zoom in a little more here. There we go. Look at that. That is insane. That is nuts. It's like everything is set to sepia. Can't even see the sun. I don't know where it is. It's like, oh, there it is. Can't even focus on it. This is nuts. Look at that sun. It's so dim. That is nuts. It's so dim. It's insane. Honestly, it's not as bright as the camera makes it look like. It's just so dim. This is so eerie out here, man. It's so smoky. But the pines are in their element, you know? They're in their element. Humans are not, but pines are. It's nuts. Man, there's a crazy one across the street. Now, I'm dealing with a couple of flies. Usually we don't have flies in Edgewood. Usually we do not have flies in Edgewood. Everything looks so weird. Look at this. This is so weird. It's just so weird. Look down there. It's just... Oh, I hate it. Visibility's about 2 miles, maybe. This is nuts. Where's the sun? It's almost gone. Can't even see it now. Now it's gone. I can't even see it now. Where is it? It's gone. It's a very faint now. It's very faint. Oh, there it is. Just like that, the sun is now completely gone. You can see it anywhere. Street lights are on. Nuts. How's that? Oh my gosh. This Southard Lake, this is nuts, man, I'll tell you. It's so smoky. Have you ever seen it like this? I'd like to walk to Southard, but I think that's not a good idea. I'm trying not to be out here for too long at a time. But you can see all that smoke. Look at that. Even thicker now than it was when I was in Deer Park. It's gotten even thicker somehow. The sun is completely gone now. Completely gone. Absolutely completely gone. It's nuts. There aren't a whole lot of people walking around. There are still some people walking around, though. Believe it or not. But yeah, let's go to Southard's Lake. Because I got the time. Let's go. Because that's a nicer lake than this one. It's less developed. Yeah, we're going to have to walk over there. It's alright. I'll be okay. Smoke doesn't bother me that much. So we're walking to Southard's. There's an egret and a red-winged blackbird interacting. Of course, now they're not doing it, but you can see there's a great white egret right there. Yeah, you see? They're interacting with each other. I don't know what's going on. Let's see what's going on here. Look. I don't know. It's like they're having a dispute or something. Yeah, I'm glad I walked it. It's not bothering me. I can walk over here. There's not going to probably be anyone here. We've got this whole place to ourselves. Normally there'd be a lot of people here, but not today. Take a look at this. Yeah, I wanted to go to this lake. It's a bigger lake and it's more natural looking. Argyle's got development all around it. Oh, wow. Look at that. I tell you, this is absolutely nuts. I tell you, this is just something else. It's unreal. It truly is. It truly is unreal. And I gotta catch the train now, so head back. But this is unreal. This really is something else. I tell you. Look at all that smoke. Sun's back out. Well, the sun is back out now. It's actually quite a lot brighter than it was before, so maybe the smoke is easing aloft, but you can see down here, it's still very smoky. Well, the sun is starting to get dim again, and of course the camera's trying to compensate for it. There, that's what it looks like. And that right there is what the sun looks like. That is surreal. Well, here we go. We're at the lake. We just got a few minutes here, and I don't want to spend too much time out here either. Been out here already too long. So there you go, and we'll show you the sun. What's left of it. That's it. So there you go. What a crazy day. A sign of just how bad things are with the climate. And the governor of New Jersey actually spoke about it in his statement, whereas Hochul did not, of course. It's so hazy the camera doesn't even want to focus, but there you go. So we've really got to start taking this climate emergency a lot more seriously, but like I said, it's too late. Better buckle up, because things are only going to get worse from here. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Pray for Earth, pray for every living creature on this planet, for the mess we caused, and we continue to cause by burning fossil fuel like it's going out of style. Thank you for watching.